In previous video tutorial, we successfully generated our game.exe file. In this tutorial, we are going to set up handler. For this, I am going to use exploit. Use exploit as multi-handler. And then hit enter. Now we have to set payload. As we already set up payload here, so copy this payload as Windows Meterpreter reverse TCP and paste here and hit enter. You can see our payload is set successfully. Now for check the options, we have to use command as show options. These are the options we have to fill up. You can see local port is already filled up. We have to set up or fill localhost only. Localhost is our IP address. So copy our IP address and use set lhost and the IP address. Hit enter. Then again do show options so we can check out that if any option is left there. You can see lhost and lport is successfully filled up. Now it's time to exploit. So type exploit here and hit enter. You can see our reverse TCP handler on this IP address is successfully started. Now it's time to share our game.txt file to our victim. Open your browser. I am going to use Dropbox to share that game.exe file to our victim machine. Go to Files. And I am going to share this exe file to my friend. Hey, I have developed this new game. Check out. And upload this file. You can see we successfully uploaded this file. And now go to your Windows machine and download this file. Whenever victim will download this our exe file, victim will click save file to download this file, and whenever he will double click to check out about our game, you can see nothing will happen. So he will close out the system and reply to you, hey Gautam, you sent me your game and nothing happened. Check out your Kali machine. You can see we got a Meterpreter session here. To access our session, we have to type sessions -i and the session, it's session 1 and hit enter. You can see we got Meterpreter cell. Right now, we are having access on our Windows 7 machine. You can do dir command to check out the directories. Right now we are into C users Gotham downloads folder, and these are the file victims having in download folder. You can check out email tracer.exe, loic, stegostick. Go to your Windows machine and check out. Go to download, and you can see the same file is our victim is having email tracer, stegnostic, loic. Now we are going to do some fun. Go back to directory using cd dot dot and again do dir. You can see desktop here. So we can go to desktop using cd desktop command. Use cd, then desktop and hit enter. Right now again do dir, and you can see we are into desktop on our victim machine. Victim is having hacking tools, Tor browser, oops, something confidential also, password.txt. So we are going to try out, open this file, password.txt. So use command as type to open up or see this file and the name of the file. Oops, it's not working. Do another command. You can see we can't able to access this file because right now we are not having administrator privilege. So in the next video tutorial, we are going to escape the privilege. Even you can make folders on victim system and hit enter and check out right now your victim machine. You can see you successfully created folder here. So you can change any type of data, you can read any type of data and do whatever you want to do on victim system. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a great day.